For this, we've got the 23 Beachcat. Beautiful classic pontoon. You can see we've got the dual axle trailer that comes with plenty of space to handle the trailering the pontoon. You can see you've got the Mincata trolling motor. It's only 2 years old. Trailer's in great shape. There's plenty of tread on the tire here. You can see the little swim ladder and little platform. See the Yamaha 115 4-stroke prop in great condition. No seeable nicks or anything in the prop. You can see these are your covers for the fuel tanks there on each side. As we get inside, you can see that plenty of seating. You got the bow seating here. Again, here's the troller. You can see we got 2 batteries here, 36 amp batteries, also a charging system. You can see there's the controls for your Mincata troller. You can see as we get into the back here, huge L bench seating here. Obviously you got all your whole beverage holders for those great family cruises. Again, here you can see on the top side the fuel tanks here. There's your captain's seat. Controls here, tachometer. Got the compass, and you do got a depth finder and a fish finder, Garmin 160C. You also got a nice stereo CD player, even compatible with your iPad. So you can see the speakers. And here's a unique feature. You've got really a full head that you can, it's set to be a head here. You can see the sink, how much space you have. So it's really how you can stand up in there. So again, 23 Beachcat, quite a cruiser. Don't want to let this one slip away. Very unique in structure.